Hello, Walden University students. Positive social change is Walden's mission, and perhaps it is your mission too. But are you actively pursuing your social change interests through writing? The Center for Academic Excellence Social Change courses help boost your skills in critical thinking, creative writing, and strategic writing in order to better connect with an audience and advocate for change. If you are a master's or doctoral student, you can register for any of the following courses in the series. Critical Thinking for Social Change. Students interested in this course might think, I am so passionate about a social issue that I have difficulty seeing it from a research-based perspective instead of an emotional or experience-based one. I am approaching my capstone. In this 6-week course, you apply the critical thinking process to refine a research topic, read and evaluate sources, and determine a solution to your chosen social issue. Creative Writing for Social Change. Students interested in this course might think, I am looking for new ways to explore a social issue that I am passionate about. I have an interest in creative writing. Over the span of these 6 weeks, you develop short pieces of fiction, creative nonfiction, and poetry on a social issue. Strategic Writing for Social Change. Students interested in this course might think, I would like to widen the scope of my message to include non-academic audiences such as family, friends, professional organizations, and the general public. In this 6-week course, you learn about grant writing, writing for popular press publications, and writing for social media. This series helps you clarify and leverage your social change mission for different audiences and contexts so that you can have a wider span of influence. There are no prerequisites for the courses, and you can take them in whatever order you choose. To register for an upcoming term, contact your Student Success Advisor at studentsuccess@mail.waldenu.edu. Thank you.